The vital data about the device itself will get pulled. This includes all of the identifying information about the phone, like model, serial number, IMEI, and phone number. It will also display setting information such as if cloud backup and Find My are turned on, location information, time zone settings, and the message retention policy of the device, which is the setting to delete messages after a certain time frame if it's turned on or not. As for the actual content of the phone, so much can be discovered about the user and what they did on the device. All of the applications they used, calendar entries, call data. You can view and analyze the photos, videos, audio files, and other documents saved on the phone. Crucial information such as files and other documents saved on the phone. Crucial information such as location data, search and web history, and even account logging credentials are made available for analysis. And of course, maybe the number one requested data set can be viewed and analyzed, which is messages. This will also break down messages and other artifacts by apps or other categories. So if WhatsApp messages are what need to be looked at, these tools will have them readily grouped and available for review. Here's another view of the extracted data within Celebrate. I can select one of the main categories and analyze that data within it. One of my favorite features is Timeline View. This view breaks down all of the device's activity to a timeline. This is great for examinations that are focused on specific days or time frames. This view and feature can show that person X sent a text at 1 p.m. on the 4th, connected to the Wi-Fi at this location at 1:02, and then search the web for such and such at 1:03. You can break down the time frame to smaller chunks for analysis, or, like we see here, view everything on the device from its lifetime, plus some, since it will show data on the phone that existed beforehand. Like if you save the picture that was created in 2010, it will be part of the earlier part of the timeline. Messages and chats can be sent or received from such a large variety of different applications. Since tools like Celebrate break it down by app, it can become a lot easier to find the specific message you're looking for. Within the tools, messages are grouped by conversations. So a conversation between John and Anne will be separated from a conversation that's between John, Anne, and Tom. Conversations can be sorted and searched by participant, time frame, and even by keyword. This is great when looking for a specific topic within thousands of messages. Conversations are displayed very similarly to how we see them on the phone itself, in the classic bubble view. This helps easily display the chat, identifying which party sent which text and at which time, and includes any attachments such as photos. And the